Thank you.
Hi, Julie. Yes, congratulations.
Thank you po.
Sandali
Thank
lang.
you. Saglit lang
Saglit
daw.
um, when you started singing earlier kanina, and we heard how you sang, parang my first impression was, it's like Julie Ann was telling us that she has nothing left to prove. Kasi, based sa previous songs mo, previous material na nilabas mo, talagang parang may gigil eh.
Laban na laban.
Laban na laban. But this time, very, very relaxed. Parang you're just saying na you're just expressing yourself. And you've mentioned it's all about creative freedom. Now, I just wanted to ask, is that really the case right now in terms of your musicality and your creativity as an artist?
Oo, parang nandun na ngayon ako sa era na yun eh. Kasi, well, given the situation that we are in right now, like, of course, sa mga personal lives natin, sa bansa natin, di ba? And then, like, things in general, parang ang hirap na rin kasi na, alam mo yun, parang lagi kang may hinahabol, may kailangan ka laging may pinapatunayan, kailangan patunayan sa sarili mo palagi, or basta may kailangan kang gawin. Parang we're so focused on that we forget ourselves. So parang through my music now, parang gusto ko lang din na alam mo yun, enjoy ang life, na ito yung mga songs na papakinggan nila pagka nakakaramdam sila ng ganito. Parang gusto ko na marinig ng mga tao yung mga kanta ko na alam mo yun, like hindi nila kailangan mahirapan pag pinapakinggan nila yung songs. And also, parang may certain, alam mo yun, like calmness and gentleness ba sa music pagka pinakinggan mo. Kasi feeling ko parang yun yung kailangan natin ngayon.
Pero saan nanggagaling?
Mga bagay-bagay.
Saan nanggagaling yung
Oo.
calmness, yung gentleness na ina-express mo through your music right now?
Siguro ano din, a personal contentment lang din talaga siguro. Kasi parang I also feel like I owe it to myself. Then na parang with so much pressure na nangyari sa paligid natin, mainly even before then, alam mo yun, this and that, kailangan ko gawin this and that, kailangan ko, alam mo yun, put myself forward all the time. So parang ito, medyo take a step back, hinga lang muna, kalmahan lang natin, di ba? And then let's just let things be. Parang, ano tayo, umaagos na tayo, parang water.
And I think a lot of people, especially your fans, would appreciate it. Now, since yan, naglabas ka ng single right now, is it safe to say that we're going to expect concerts or album in the next couple of months?
Ako kasi ngayon, like right now, may pinag-uusapan po kami nga concert. Yes. I think I've already like said this sa nag-reply na ako sa isang tao sa Twitter or like sa TikTok. Hopefully, next year, sana, basta hindi pa po namin ina-expect, para hindi pa po namin specifically dina-target yung particular date, pero inaayos na po namin. Basta ang masasabi ko lang, it's gonna be worth the wait kasi paghahandaan ko to because it's my 20th year. Yeah, it's gonna be a good one.
Since you've mentioned your 20th year, siguro one last question from myself. Sa lahat ng na-achieve mo in your career, either sa television or in your music or your other endeavors in showbiz, what do you think yung pinaka-highlight ng career mo in the past 2 decades?
Siguro yung pinaka-highlight ng career, maraming mga highlights kasi. Of course, one would be having my own album, having my own songs.
Diamond?
na
Diamond record.
Thank you, Lord. And then also being nominated and awarded mga ibang mga categories, ganyan, like when it comes to like music. So much honor ang naidulot sa akin noon. Grabe, parang alam mo yun, hindi ko din talaga in-expect na mabibigyan ng recognition. And then when I did Limitless trilogy, parang it changed my perspective in life. Sobrang I fell in love with that project. Also Maria Clara as well. It's one of the, oh my God, like most memorable talagang like parang nagkaroon ng impact sa akin as an artist. And then like yung kung ano yung meron ako ngayon. Just having my own process and approach pagdating sa aking music.
With that, thank you and congratulations.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Nikiba. Up next, we have MJ that I have to ask a later question.
JMG.